It's an exciting time to be a car lover. The automotive world is buzzing with innovation, and everywhere you look, there's something new to discover. Whether you're a lifelong gearhead or just starting to pay attention to what's on the road, there's never been a moment quite like this. The biggest question at the dealership isn't just about horsepower or color anymore, it's about what powers your ride. Today, the conversation has shifted from style and speed to what's under the hood and how it fits into your life. Are you sticking with the familiar rumble of a gasoline engine, or are you ready to plug into the future with an electric car? It's a decision that goes beyond personal taste. It's about embracing tradition or stepping into a new era. This choice affects your wallet, your daily routine, and even the air we breathe. It's about more than just getting from point A to point B. It's about how you want to move through the world, and what kind of impact you want to leave behind. Gas-powered cars have been the heart of the automotive world for over a century. They've shaped our cities, our culture, and the way we think about freedom and adventure. They're reliable, familiar, and have a certain mechanical charm. There's a nostalgia in the growl of an engine, and the feel of shifting gears that's hard to replace. Think of the smell of a garage, the satisfaction of a full tank, and the freedom to drive for hundreds of miles without stopping. For many, these are the moments that define the driving experience. On the other side, electric vehicles, EVs, are quiet, quick, and represent a leap in technology. They glide through city streets, almost silently, offering a new kind of driving thrill. Instead of pistons and exhaust, you have batteries and electric motors. Maintenance is different, and so is the way you think about fueling up. Charging replaces filling up at the pump. It's a different world under the hood. The technology is changing fast, and every year brings new advancements in range, charging speed, and performance. The rise of EVs is pushing the industry forward, opening up new possibilities for performance and design. Automakers are reimagining what a car can be from the ground up. So, you're at a crossroads, gas or electric. It's a personal decision, and one that's shaping the future of transportation. There's no single right answer. Each option has its own strengths, and what works for one driver might not work for another. Your lifestyle, where you live, and what you value in a car will point you in one direction or the other. Maybe you need long-range reliability, or maybe you want to reduce your carbon footprint and embrace the latest tech. Today, we'll pop the hood, kick the tires, and see what makes each of these machines tick. Let's get into it and find out which ride is right for you.